Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to show you how to make coleslaw. Sometimes it's called Russian salad if you add a few extra things in it. It's one beautiful dish, awesome taste. It can be used on its own to eat, or what I prefer is to use it in the zinger or chicken burger or kebabs. So what you do is rather than using other greens and separate stuff, I like to make this and use it in it along with the kebab. What we got here is one apple, and we have got red cabbage same amount, white cabbage same amount. If you haven't got both, you can use either of them, but use the double amount. As much as the apple, use half the white grapes. You can use red or white grapes, or you can use both. And we've got carrots here, which we grated. As you can see, the carrot is also equal to one apple. Take 2 tablespoons of double cream, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon now of a coarse ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And what you do is you mix them well, and your Russian salad is ready. I'm making this because I like to eat this along with whenever I make any kind of kebab, the burgers. It's one beautiful, tasty, delicious dish. Beautiful. Now what we've done is place them all into a bigger pot. Take any pot, basically, plastic or glass, you name it, steel, whichever you have. Place them all in there into the pot, and place all the mix, the mayonnaise, cream, black pepper and sugar in there, and mix them well. If you think, you can check the taste here, and if you think you need a little bit of more mayonnaise, you can add. If you want more cream, double cream, you can add a little bit, pinch of it. And if you prefer more sugar, I would advise not to, but if you want, you can add a bit of more sugar to increase the flavor. But this is beautiful, awesome here. We're ready to use it in our burgers. Here, one tasty Russian salad coleslaw is ready. It's awesome. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you will not get this in the supermarkets. In order for improve and best taste, you got to make it at home. I've done it. I've tasted in the market. The coleslaw that you get, nowhere near. This is the hybrid between coleslaw and Russian salad. So you can call it Russian salad or you can call it coleslaw. Both names goes well for this. One warning, when you mix it, make sure you have a large enough pot where you are mixing this together, in order for it to mix it well. Do not use a small pot. Again, whenever I make my dishes, I try to use bigger cooking pans, so that the taste is way improved. If you put too much stuff in a small cooking pot, it will not work. So that's why we use a bigger pot to mix this, and then we placed it into the small Pyrex container. Now what we've done here is now we got it ready. We're going to place it in the fridge, and you can use it easily up to 7 days. Nothing goes wrong. You can make it as much as you want and then keep on using it whenever you need. Other thing is, you can eat it on its own, tasty, or with other stuff like rice, burgers, chips, you name it. Or you can put it in your wraps. What I like to make a request is to share our recipe and our channel with others across the net, and also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon. If you like us to make anything else, please let us know. Thank you very much.